Namaste everyone, Jigs here from Phoenix Consulting and Training located in Kathmandu, Nepal. Today I want to tell you about a great new app that I discovered while working with other project managers here. Project Plan 365 is an app that blew me away the first time that I used it, and perhaps might be the 8th wonder of the PM world. If I were to list the 8 wonders of Project Plan 365, here's what they'd be. First, it's drop-dead simple to use. If you can enter data into a spreadsheet, you can use Project Plan 365. Basically, you do what you normally do as a project manager. Record all the tasks that need to be done. Note who's doing what and what that's going to cost you. Then you lay out your plan in a sequence and a structure that makes sense. Then set a baseline. After that, the fun begins, tracking and all of that. In addition to how easy it is to use, Project Plan 365 works seamlessly with Microsoft Project. I think I've used Microsoft Project, every version of it, starting with DOS, and there's been no learning curve for me. My old Microsoft plans opened up just fine in Project Plan 365, and when saved back, everything was as it should be. They even look alike, like twins. They share the same file type, .mpp. That file format was developed by Microsoft back in the day just for project managers and the data manipulations that we need. The next wonder is how Project Plan 365 works in the cloud. You can store your plan on any cloud platform that you like, as well as open them from any device that you have on hand. Let's take a look. You can open and save your plans on your own website, Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, Box, OneDrive, and even Basecamp. So let's think about that for a minute. What does that mean to busy project managers like ourselves? Imagine being able to open and close your files no matter what device you're using, wherever you are. You'd be able to carry your plan right to the job site. Well, let's do just that. Let me save this plan to the cloud, and then we can head on out to the job site. I just have to grab my iPad and I'll meet you there. Here we are at the Lakshmi Narayan Temple, which is currently being rebuilt after an 8.1 earthquake completely destroyed it in 2015. Now, just bricks. Let me just open up the project here on the iPad and I'll start checking off work that's been done since last time. Here's something. This task is almost done. Let me bump that up. Now imagine giving this task to some other team member so that you could just stay back at your office and watch the results of your project plan flow in. Well, I'm done here for the day. Let's get back to the office. Phew, we're back. Let me tell you about another wondrous thing about this app. It doesn't cost very much, especially when you compare $129 to the rest of the other crazy expensive tools that I have tried here. I'll get that later. Right now, I want to talk collaboration and how to get things done faster and better. In the olden days, I used to email or hand out Gantt charts to the team and hope that they would follow them and then report back on the progress. Now I just send out the project plan to anyone that needs it. Remember that .mpp file I told you about? The people you send your plans to don't need to have Project Plan 365 fully licensed. They just need to have a free or advanced viewer. That's $19.99 a year versus $129 for the ability to report on status. Or if you're in a pinch, the free viewer lets you at least see the plan. Either way, everyone is covered, and everyone is on the same page of the plan as you are. Here, let me get that. What's that? You did some more work out at the temple? Wonderful. I love it when work gets done. And what I love almost as much is the powerful scheduling engine inside of Project Plan 365. All that project-related math that we used to have to calculate in our heads or in Excel is all done in Project Plan 365 with ease. Project Plan 365 can automatically calculate critical paths, project statistics, end dates, resource allocations, labor and material costs, all of that, no matter how large or small your plan. Another wonder of Project Plan 365 is that it's not open source software. It's the real deal, with military grade encryption and all of that. So I don't have to worry about information security at all. No fly-by-night web applications looking to sell your data. And this app doesn't break, no matter what I throw about it. That's just one less thing to worry about. Well, that's pretty wonderful, eh? There's more, but I gotta get back to work. Let me just say one more thing about localization. Project Plan 365 is multilingual and records dates and currencies in yours and not someone else's format. And about Housatonic, the developer of this app. They have tens of thousands of customers around the world, many planning inside the top Fortune 500 companies. So I'm confident when it comes to support and future enhancements that Housatonic will be there. To try this tool yourself, just download the free trial for whatever device or platform you need. So thanks for watching, and until next time, namaste.